Every spirit that's attacking your body, be cancelled in the mighty name of Jesus. Be cancelled in the mighty name of Jesus. Be cancelled in the mighty name of Jesus. Every disease attacking your body, I say out, 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 out in the mighty name of Jesus. No more disease should be attacking your body. No more disease attacking your body. Any spirit that's attacking your job, I cancel it in the mighty name of Jesus. I cancel it in the mighty name. Every spirit that's attacking your marriage, I cancel it in the mighty name of Jesus. I cancel it in the mighty name of Jesus. Every spirit attacking your family, I say leave, 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 leave in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Every spirit as attacking your ministry, I say be cancelled in the mighty name of Jesus. Be cancelled in the mighty name of Jesus. Be cancelled in the mighty name of Jesus. Be free, be free, be free from any spirit that's attacking you. Be free from any disease that's attacking you. Be free from any situation that is not of God. I say out, 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 out. I say freedom may come to your direction. Freedom may come your direction. Receive freedom. Receive freedom. Receive peace. 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 In the mighty name of Jesus. May happiness come your way. Receive happiness. Receive happiness. Receive joy. Receive joy. Receive joy.